Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Viva Goals. My name is Tim Blake, and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. I have facilitated training sessions for the Microsoft end user community globally. Viva Goals is part of the Microsoft Viva suite, focusing on setting, tracking, and achieving organizational goals using OKRs, and I'm excited to teach you about its features. This course is intended for Microsoft 365 users who want to use Viva Goals to track personal and team objectives as well as key results. This will be especially beneficial for project managers, program managers, and departmental managers. We will start by describing what Viva Goals is and the framework that it uses. Then, we will identify the key components of Viva Goals and list the benefits of OKRs. We will also navigate the Goals interface. Next, we will look at the organizational structure, admin, and organizational settings, as well as the team structure. Then, we will create a new team and manage team settings. From there, we will establish effective goals, create OKRs, add key results, and create initiatives. Then, we will manage OKRs by updating key results, exporting data, and using the search functionality effectively. In our last lesson, we will review and customize dashboards, view analytics, and present a dashboard. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will be able to set up and use Viva Goals to track personal and team objectives and key results. As you go through this course, I recommend you stop the video periodically and practice what I am showing you, so you can do the same activities right along with us.